In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a job board website using WordPress. Whether you're an employer looking to post job listings or an entrepreneur wanting to create a niche job board, this guide will get you started in just a few steps. So, let's dive right in. First, you'll want to head over to wordpress.com. It's where the magic begins, and it's the hub of all your website creation needs. So, open up your preferred web browser and enter the URL for WordPress. Once you're there, you'll see an option to log in. Now, go ahead and click on the Login button. If you don't already have a WordPress account, you'll need to sign up. Just follow the prompts for entering your information, which is typically just your email and a password. But if you already have an account, just enter your credentials and log in. Easy as that. Once logged in, navigate to your WordPress dashboard. This dashboard is the control center for your website and where you'll be able to customize it to fit your needs. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with this area, because this is where you'll manage most of your site's content and functionality. Next, you want to click on Plugins in the left-hand sidebar of your dashboard. Plugins are essentially tools that extend the functionality of your WordPress site. They can do anything from enhancing site performance to adding new features. So, for today, we're focusing on adding a job board. After selecting Plugins, you'll then see an option to Add Plugin. Select this to start searching for the plugin that will transform your site into a fully functional job board. In the search bar, type in WP Job Manager. This is a popular and highly rated plugin specifically designed for creating job board sites. Once you locate WP Job Manager in the search results, you'll see an Install button. Click it, and WordPress will automatically download and install the plugin for you. This may take a moment, so be patient. Once it's finished, the button will change to Activate. Click Activate to enable the plugin on your site. Congratulations! You've now set up a job board on your WordPress site. With WP Job Manager installed and activated, you can begin customizing job listings, categories, and other functionalities specific to your needs. The intuitive interface will help you manage postings effortlessly. And there you have it, a step-by-step guide to creating a job board website in just a few minutes using WordPress. Get ready to start posting jobs and engaging with users. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and happy website building!